nose itch, sorry. So hot. I need all the caffeine I can get. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're testing out all new makeup that I've never tried. We're gonna be testing it out together. Some of this stuff is really freaking cool that I almost looked over it like, oh, that's weird. I just don't even wanna try it, to I think I wanna use this every day of my life. So there's some really cool things in here. I kind of don't wanna give it away, but I mean, this is one of them. It's so cool. You'll see what exactly it is later on in the video. But we're testing out a bunch of new stuff. Kylie, Fenty, all the things, and I created this look very much inspired by Kylie's birthday look. I actually really love how it turned out. I also wanted to tell you about a new book that I've been loving, but it's actually not a book that I have been reading. I've actually been listening to it. I love books, but more recently in my life, I feel like I don't have time to sit down and read a book. So when I'm in the car, cooking, or going to karate practice with Jaden, I am listening in the car to some type of knowledge or some type of story or empowerment. I just constantly like to feed my brain those types of things, and I like for my son to hear it too. So I am always plugged in to my Audible, and it's an app that I've been using. It's new for me because I'm used to literally sitting down and reading, but the fact that I can listen to it is so awesome, and I wanted to share it with you guys because this is a newfound love of mine, and you guys have to try it out because you can listen to all types of books. I currently have been listening to the book Girl, Wash Your Face from Rachel Hollis. It's such a good book. She's so like brutally honest about her life and about her struggles. So much good advice. So definitely recommend you guys check that book out. It's called Girl, Wash Your Face. If you don't have Audible and you want to check out the book, luckily I partnered up with Audible in this video. So this video is sponsored by Audible. Thank you, Audible. Thank you so much. They are actually hooking my subscribers up with a free 30-day trial and one free book that you can listen to. That book is my current favorite right now, so I would suggest you listen to that one. You can go to audible.com/ChristenDominique, or you can text them. Just text Christen Dominique to 500-500, and you will get your 30-day free trial of Audible and one free book. I'm so excited for you guys to try it out. I really, really love Audible, so I know you're gonna love it if you're into books and learning or just listening to crazy stories. So now we're gonna get into this makeup look right here that I am really excited about. I want to wear this look for my birthday. When is my birthday coming up? So if you want to get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, we're gonna get into the video because I can't talk anymore. We've got so much new stuff. I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna start with the face first. There's like so many things that I cannot wait to use. I'm gonna start with Dermablend. Dermablend came out with a Instagrip Jelly Primer, which really piqued my interest because it's a makeup gripping primer. So your foundation is supposed to like plaster to your face and not move. That is the situation with this primer. I'm just gonna tap it in. Almost feels like glue. It's also supposed to moisturize and act as a tightening mask. Maybe I should put more then. So now I'm gonna move on to the foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use a bunch of Dermablend for my face because this is all new and it's really cool and unique looking. So I wanna use the concealer, the foundation. So the foundation is called Flawless Creator, and it comes in this dropper like this. It says that you can mix it with like a moisturizer. It could be super light coverage or super heavy coverage. So I'm really interested to see how this is gonna look on my face. It says 4 drops is like complete full coverage. I just did like 30 drops. This is actually really, really light. So I'm putting on like a ton of drops. It tells you only need 4, but no, I don't think so. The shade number that I'm using is 37W, just in case you guys are wondering. Oh, by the way, you guys, I completely changed my eyebrows. I basically cut all of them off to create this new shape. Not necessarily this shape right here. It's one that I'm actually drawing into my eye, and it's just a very straight brow that is more lifted because naturally my brows are like Angry Bird, like they just naturally go down. So I removed all of the lower part of my brow so that it's more straight, to just give my face more of a lifted look. So I'll let you know how I feel in about a week, but so far I really like it. I just feel like I needed this area right here to be a little bit more open. I'm gonna put on my brows. The brows, honestly, there's nothing new that I haven't already showed you guys. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I will be back with my new brow shape. You see how new they are? If you compare my brows to my old brows, I feel like it opens up my face a little bit more. Personally, my face looks better with smaller brows, is what I'm starting to realize. So I'm really excited about the eyeshadow because I haven't tried it, and I feel like I'm the only one on earth who hasn't tried it. But I am using the Kylie Sipping Pretty palette. I personally gravitate towards these neutral colors right here. I just want to use all of this. This is very fall to me. So what I did was look on her Instagram for inspo, but I want to do something that's similar to this look. I think it's really pretty. It uses a lot of color, but it's not like crazy intense. So I'm gonna try that out today. It's inspired. It's not like completely exactly the same, but it is very much inspired by that look. The first color we're starting off with is something that's just neutral and peachy. So these two shades together, I'm gonna use that on the crease right here. It's gonna be a really light dust of transition shade, not too much. I'm gonna take those same two colors and put them on the lower lash line. So just bring it around and connect it right at the end right here to the crease. I'm gonna take this shade right here and then just start to work that on the crease. And when you're blending your crease, you always wanna move your hand, oh my God, I got a nose itch, sorry. You always wanna move your hand to the back of your brush. Do not push down on your eye, just use very light pressure. And then I wanna angle the end towards the brow bone. I don't wanna go all the way up there, but I do want to kind of angle it so that it kind of shapes the eye, almost like a cat eye with your shadow. Okay, now I'm gonna dip into this cranberry color over here and layer that right just below the pink shade we used. And it's okay if we get it a little bit closer to this because we are just going to deepen it up as we go. I'm using this clean brush right here just to go over the edges, make sure there's no harsh lines anywhere, and just softening everything up. I'm gonna add this brown in here, and I'm using a more densely packed brush so I can get more of a impact with the color in that one little spot. On the very end of my lid, I'm gonna take this blue color and start to pack that on. Okay, so it looks a little messy, but we're gonna clean it up afterwards. So the next color I'm gonna go into is purple, right there. I'm gonna press that into the eye, closer to the center. So now I'm gonna go into this pink color right here. I'll work that closer to the inner part of the eye. It's giving me cotton candy vibes. Right where the purple meets the pink, I'm gonna start to tap my brush right on top just so that it can mesh into each other. And then I'm gonna put hot pink on my inner corners. So that's that matte hot pink color. Wish me luck. It's gonna be this one right here. Okay, it went from inspired by to basically trying to replicate the look. So if it looks good, I was supposed to be exactly like hers. If it wasn't, it doesn't look that great, then it was inspired by it. This is really, really pretty. This actually, when I think of birthday makeup, this is exactly what I would think of. The only thing is, I noticed she doesn't wear very many like wings, and for me, I would definitely have to wear a wing with this. I'm gonna soften out the edges. I'm gonna take this brush right here and take the deeper brown in the palette, and I'm gonna go over this inner area right here just to give it some more drama. With the same brush, I'm gonna hit the lower lashes, so squeezing it and brushing it back and forth. I brought a makeup wipe because we have to clean up this mess right here. That blue had a lot of fallout. Okay, so Fenty came out with an eyeliner, which I've never tried. I don't know if this is new or not. I think it's new, but I've never tried it. So it's this guy right here, just like a regular liquid eyeliner. I'm so excited to use it. For some reason, I don't use much of Fenty, but I don't have as much stuff from Fenty that I probably would like. Like, I still need to get the foundation. Like, I still haven't went out and got it, but I hear so many great things about it. Wow, I am gonna definitely use this again. It's just going on so easy. It's not drying out at all. That's good. I don't want a crazy wing. I just want a subtle little wing. So I'm gonna put on some lashes now. The lashes I'm using aren't subtle. They're from Baddie B, and these are the style, this right here. They're pretty fluffy, so I'm really interested to see how these are gonna look with this look. Hold on, let me try them on. Whoa, those are big. Definitely gotta cut them down. While my eyelashes are drying up a little bit, I'm gonna put on some mascara. Lashes should be dry by now, so we're gonna pop those on. I feel like I'm in a cooking show. Cookies are baked. We're gonna pop them in the oven. I've never actually put on my lashes with the mirror like right underneath my nose, but it's pretty accurate. And I'm just finding this out right now on camera. They look messed up. They look pretty good. Because I can see like the base. Wow, you guys, I have this. Everyone needs to try this if you have trouble putting your lashes on. Put the mirror under your nose and look down. You could see exactly where it's going. After it's dry, I add some more mascara to my real and false lash, mesh them together, and be done with it. Obsessed with this eye look, truly just obsessed. Definitely want to do this again when I'm like, I don't know, going to the grocery store. I'm gonna put on some concealer. These new concealers, actually they're correctors that I got in from Dermablend. Really interesting. I honestly almost passed on using them because they're powders. They look like this and they just say corrector, and I was just confused. What? I was really confused about it, but then I looked it up and it says powder to cream. Sparked an interest, so I'm gonna try it. This one is yellow. Yellow, I wanna neutralize the darkness, so I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. It is truly a powder. I was just curious, so I'm gonna put the powder right here. You can see it's a powder. I'm gonna take my finger, work it in there, and start to put it underneath my eyes. What? This is literally magic. It's turning into a cream. It's hard to believe things sometimes, but truly it's a cream now. You see how it's just smoothing in? I'm just gonna put my beauty blender in there and see how that works for this eye. Not bad, not bad at all. What? This is so cool, you guys. Everybody needs to try this just because it's so fun. So I'm just gonna highlight with it now. Down my nose, mustache. So I'm gonna move on then. That was really, really cool. They also have a green one, but I'm good. I have foundation on. I'm gonna try this out right here. This is from Lancome. Long Time No Shine Loose Setting and Mattifying Primer. Oh God, oh Lord. I like how it smooths out the skin, but it is very bright, so I don't know, it's supposed to be translucent. It's not brightening, I don't think. All right, so now I'm gonna put on some bronzer. There isn't any new bronzers that I see, so I'm just gonna do that off camera. So off camera, I'm gonna put on some bronzer, I'm gonna contour, and I'm gonna be back with the rest of my face. Okay, I'm back, and the only reason that I came back so early without anything on my face is because I actually found something that is new and that I did not realize I haven't used yet. I haven't tried it out. This is from Becca. It's called Be a Light. I thought this was a highlighter palette, and I was not that excited, to be honest, but it's not. It's a blur, brighten, contour, and blush. I don't like my blushes or my bronzers to be illuminating in any way for my cheeks, but this really isn't in a weird way. It's just blurring everything out, which is cool because I just like swiped it on my hand. So I'm hoping it does the same thing on my face. This bronzer looks like a little diamond, a rectangle diamond, and it's called a contour. This is more of a bronzer to me because it has a red undertone to it, and bronzers are supposed to give you a warmth. It's a nice bronzer. It's just an odd shape. I wouldn't see myself grabbing this because it's like a weird shape to fit your brush in. Maybe it's just me. After I do that, I'm gonna seriously go and contour my face, and I will be right back. All right, so I'm back and I'm snatched. I'm gonna move on to highlight. The new craze is the one from Fenty, and I've been really excited to use it. It looks like a diamond. Oh, it's so pretty. What's up with things looking like diamonds? The packaging has like a silver glitter. It's just so reflective that it is truly blinding. And when you put it on your hand, it just almost looks like glitter, but we're gonna use it on our face. All over diamond veil. I wouldn't put this all over. You're gonna look like a disco, like a true disco ball, so I don't wanna do that. But I do wanna put it on strategically. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. We're gonna look really glittery. For those of you that do like everyday looks, I would not put this on your nose. I'm just doing this because I am extra. So unless you are also a part of this extra family and you want to look like a diamond princess, then, you know, do that. But if you're not about that life, then don't do that. If we try to go a little heavier, I feel like it's going to look crazy. But there we go. I'm not going to go any heavier than that. And then I put the whole thing on my face. Okay, I'm going to put some on my Cupid's bow. You know, it doesn't look that bad because it is kind of like separated dry glitter. So it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna put some right here on my brow bone. The lips is the last thing that I have. And I have some new lips, but none that match with this look. The only new lips that I saw would match are from Kylie. The closest thing to a nude from her collection that I found is August which is this light pink, nudish kind of pink. So I'm gonna mix that with one of her oldies. This is Caramel, it's a lip liner. I'm just gonna put that on really quick. And, okay, yeah. This is gonna work. This is the color I was going for. That is my kind of pink. My pinky nude with the brown lip. I love that. Before we go, I have to show you this. I totally forgot about it. It's the Fenty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. I feel like this would be perfect with the look. It's like separated loose glitters. I'm just gonna put it on right on the center. Yep, it's doing everything I thought it would. It just blends together so perfectly with the highlight. Those separated glitters, and it smells amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up button. And before you go, check out these two guys over here, just in case you missed them. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.